you guys, I'm back. I told you that we gonna keep this thing rolling right into 2022. This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters, and today we're reviewing the Pyle receiver. This is exactly the Pyle PTA44BT receiver. This is for all the old heads, the old schoolers, because I know you young folks don't know about receivers and what they can do. But this one right here, I'm going to use. We're going to get that surround sound going like it's supposed to be going. Let's go. You know what it is. When that grandpa knife, that means it's time for unboxing. So let's unbox this thing and see what we got. First of all, before we even unbox it, let's just go through a couple things. This is made by PyleUSA.com, made in the USA. It's a 4-channel BT audio source amplifier. Multi-source, 1/4 audio microphone inputs, MP3, USB, SD reader, FM radio, built-in wireless Bluetooth for wireless audio and wireless streaming. You guys, check this out. It also has a headphone jack with independent volume control, MP3, digital audio file input, push-type speaker connectors, and subwoofer output. So this has everything you do it. This thing is pumping out 4 channels, 4.8 ohms, 20 hertz, 20 kilohertz, 81 decibels on the power. Let's crack this thing open, see what we got. Bam! Grandpa knife, let's go. Ooh, yes sir. Kids, don't do this at home. You might cut yourself. So let's open this baby up and see what we got inside. Ooh, smell the freshness. Woo! Inside, we got the instruction manual with a remote control here. You know, we don't read instruction manuals. So we throw that to the side. Next off, we got a little junk. But the main event is right here because there's nothing else. Let's throw the box on the side here and let's open this baby up. Oh, they wrapped this real good. There we go. You ready? Here we go. Yes, sir. Woo! As you can see, has the Wi-Fi antenna right there. Look at this. Look at this baby. Look at everything on this thing. Make sure you guys get a good look. Channel A, channel B. Rewind, fast forward, play SD slot, USB slot, auxiliary slot, mic input 1, mic input 2, channel C, channel D, music volume, CD, DVD player, MP3, bass control, and treble control. Has a mic 1 and a mic 2, and you can even change the echo on the power right there. Flip this thing on the back. Like I say, 4-channel amplifier, FM radio, 500 watts of power. Look at all these inputs on the back. Now, I'm specifically getting this because I need the old school hookup. You guys don't know about this, but the 4-speaker surround sound with the 4 speakers. You got speaker A, B, C, and D. You can hook up 4 different speakers on this. Actually, you can have a left and a right on each one. Also, you got the audio output, audio input, subwoofer, DVD, CD, rec. So you hook all of your components that you have up to this, your DVD player, your cable box, anything you want. You can link in your phone with Bluetooth. Make sure you guys definitely check this out. This is the PTA44BT Bluetooth receiver. Definitely a good buy, very affordable. This thing got some weight to it, so you know it's made really good. Let's hook this baby up and see how it pumps. Let's go. All right, you guys, I'm gonna show you. As you know, we're renovating a new home. The previous owner had these speaker wires already set up right here. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 wires here, and these 4 wires go to these 4 speakers. So I got one there, one right there, one right there, and one right there. This was the whole reason I got this receiver. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna hook these wires up. This is the first time I've ever tried that, so I don't even know if this works or not. So you're gonna go on the hookup journey with me to see does it work and try to give y'all the best angle. We're still remodeling, so we don't have a lot of lighting in here, so I'm not gonna worry about the remote. And what I did do just to do a little quick thing is I got a USB drive that's got music on I use in the car, so I'm gonna try that. So what we're gonna do, let's take this receiver out the box, and I'll probably, let me just sit it on top of the box right here. So now, as you can see the back of it, here's my power cord. So we're gonna, where's my closest electrical? Okay, I think I can reach it over there. Let me slide over just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is, he's actually got them labeled. This is 1 and this is 2 here. So I'm not really sure, you guys, which one he considers 1 or 2, because like I said, this is the previous owner work. So I'm just gonna hook it up just to make sure it works, and we'll do all the details at a later date. Just want to show you guys how this receiver works. So we got a speaker A, speaker B, C, and D. So what I'm going to do is the wire's different. One has a little lighter. So okay, so it don't matter what you do, just as long as you kind of make them all the same way. So you see, one is lighter, and one is gold, and one is like a little lighter. So I'm going to say the lighter one. So it goes across like that, A, and then that's the other A. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of show you guys. Push that in. I'm gonna put this in here, and then I'm gonna put that one in here. So these things are a little thick. Okay, they're locked in. So I'm gonna go the same method all the way through. The lighter one is gonna go on the black, that's negative, and the darker one's gonna go on the positive. So make sure when you do hook it up, it don't matter which way you do it, just make sure you do all of them the same, in the same sequence. So I got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're gonna do, again, here's the darker one. Remember, the darker one is in the red, and then the lighter one is in the black. Lighter one always in the black. Just make sure they're in there. I don't think, gotta make sure they don't touch. These a little, okay, just get that. Okay, I gotta go down a little deeper. Make sure it's all the way in there. So give them a little tug. Later on, I'll probably put a little tape on it just to make sure they don't touch. And then now we're gonna just go down the line, same way. Here's another lighter one here. It's light. Remember, the light one goes in the black. The darker one is, which I consider the positive, goes there. And last but not least, there's the lighter one in the black, and then the darker one in the red. Make sure everything's tight. For now, for demonstration purposes, make sure it's not touching. Everything is in, nothing's touching. So now I'm gonna rotate this for you guys, try to give you the best angle I can on this. All right, you guys, here we go. Double check, make sure nothing's touching. Yeah, I'm gonna put electrical tape just to make sure. Here we go, you guys. Here we go. Let's plug it up. All right, I've got it plugged up. Nothing's really happening. So, power. There's power. Okay, here's the line. As you can see, it says line. So let me put my USB drive. Here we go. Let's see if music starts to play. Where's the volume button? Because I don't want to get no copyright. Let's see. Copyright. So volume Oh, power, echo. Okay, so, this thing, you can individually change the volume on each one. Oh, that's slick. That's slick. Let me turn it down. Oh, so I can individually change the volume on each speaker. So if I want one particular speaker louder than the other one, you can individually control the volume on each one of the 4 speakers. So let's put this in. Now here's something. Music volume. Okay, I hear it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh yeah, wait, you guys, I found it. I found what was wrong. I had to change it to MP3. Once I changed it to MP3, that's where my volume, watch this. I'm gonna play a little bit of it. I don't wanna give you too much, but watch this. I'm gonna unpause it. Ooh, that thing busted. That's right. And look, I can control each individual speaker. Let me turn this down, turn this down. Look, this one speaker. That's another speaker. This is another speaker. Another speaker. And if I want all of them blasting at the same time, watch it. Ooh, yes sir. Yeah. So, but that's how you hook it up. Like I say, I'm gonna get familiar with the wiring here, but I just want to show you guys how you will hook it up. Right here, like I say, I just moved in this house, so not familiar with everything, so I see on as far as the you know, everything else. But that's how you hook it up. You hook the wires up just like that, up to 4 different speakers. You got audio video jack, so that's the whole setup of the PTA44BT. So thank you guys. Let me get into it. Thank you guys for watching this video. We're gonna get this whole system set up. We gotta finish the living room. We gotta finish remodeling, but make sure you guys definitely check out the link in the description. I will have this particular model in the link if you want to check it out. But if you're definitely an old schooler like me and got the wired speakers, but this does everything. This does the wired speakers, the Bluetooth, USB, everything right here. So if you got old stuff and you want to combine it with your new stuff, this is what you want. See you guys on the next video. Peace.